The vision of a Type 4 civilization inspires not just scientific curiosity but also philosophical inquiry. It forces us to reflect on who we are and who we aspire to become as we harness the universe's vast potential. Our journey will require a balance of progress and caution, ensuring that the tools we create serve humanity rather than undermine it. With each step forward, we must carry our principles, ethics, and compassion, safeguarding a future where intelligence and empathy guide our path among the stars. Humanity stands at a crucial juncture, where we must evolve our understanding of intelligence and its role in our future. This evolution requires a harmonious blend of human intuition and artificial capabilities, allowing us to tackle the complex challenges that lie ahead. As we harness the power of AI, we must also embrace collaborative governance that prioritizes ethical considerations and aims toward a collective vision for interstellar advancement. Each decision we make today, from how we refine AI systems to the measures we adopt for energy sustainability, will ultimately shape the legacy we leave for future generations. In preparing for this monumental journey, humanity must grapple with not only technological advancements but also the ethical and philosophical implications of our choices. We stand on the brink of becoming not just explorers of the cosmos but also custodians of our own evolution and survival. By investing in education and fostering a cultural mindset that embraces adaptability, creativity, and ethical discourse, we can ensure that progress is not merely linear but holistic. This ethos will allow us to ask the right questions as we journey toward becoming a Type 4 civilization and in shaping a future that resonates with our deepest aspirations. So, let's engage, innovate, and unite as we step into this vast unknown together, determined to craft a narrative that is worthy of the legacy we wish to leave behind. As we embark on this transformative journey, we must acknowledge the interconnectedness of all our efforts, be it scientific, ethical, or educational. Every innovation must be accompanied by a commitment to sustainability and a collective responsibility for the well-being of our planet and beyond. Only through unity can we navigate the complexities of technological evolution and ensure that these advancements serve as a beacon of hope for generations to come, ultimately leading us toward the realization of a Type 4 civilization. As we envision this grand future, we must remain vigilant about the ethical concerns that arise alongside our technological advancements. The rapid evolution of AI presents a double-edged sword. On one side lies unparalleled possibilities for innovation, while on the other resides the risk of misalignment and unintended consequences. Striking a balance between harnessing AI's capabilities and ensuring that these powerful tools reflect our deepest values will be imperative, as we forge ahead into the uncharted territories of existence. To realize this vision, education must transform fundamentally, producing thinkers who can navigate the intricate interplay of technology and ethics. Schools will become incubators for creativity, where children learn not just to adapt to a tech-driven world but also to shape it, fostering a generation that can leverage AI as a collaborator in crafting innovative solutions. They will explore concepts of cosmic responsibility, understanding their role not merely as individuals but as integral parts of a collective journey toward the stars, each mind contributing to the tapestry of human advancement. As we continue to explore the trajectory toward a Type 4 civilization, it becomes clear that our approach must be multifaceted, bridging not only technological innovation but also fostering a profound shift in our collective mindset. This transformation will require systems that emphasize global cooperation, where the innovations and discoveries of one nation serve as a stepping stone for all humanity. The challenges ahead will test our resolve, yet each obstacle presents an opportunity to redefine what it means to be human in a world increasingly shaped by technology and artificial intelligences. We stand on the edge of a new paradigm, where we move not just towards the stars, but also toward a deeper understanding of our own nature and potential. As we venture further into the journey towards a Type 4 civilization, we must remain aware of the moral dilemmas that may arise from our technological advancements. While the promise of AI and energy harnessing offers unparalleled opportunities, it also challenges our very understanding of autonomy and ethics. The dialogue surrounding ethical governance must evolve hand in hand with our scientific progress, fostering a global community that values transparency and cooperation above competition. The complexities of our choices demand not only critical thinking but also a commitment to empathy, ensuring that as we build toward the stars, we do not lose sight of our shared humanity. Our path to greatness must be illuminated by wisdom and integrity, guiding us through the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. To weave a successful narrative toward a Type 4 civilization, we must cultivate a culture that values collective intelligence and shared responsibility. We should commit to open dialogue, establishing frameworks for accountability while fostering an environment where innovative ideas can flourish. The need for international collaboration is paramount, ensuring that advancements in AI and energy are not hoarded or exploited, but instead used to uplift all of humanity. This global approach will help us navigate the complexities of our shared future, allowing us to harmonize technology with responsibility, enabling a thriving society that is well prepared for the cosmic journey ahead. As we progress, we must also nurture a sense of cosmic stewardship, recognizing that our reach into the vastness of space carries profound responsibilities. The impulse to conquer new worlds must be tempered with respect for potential life forms and environments we encounter in our exploration. This ethical perspective will require not only technological advancement but also a profound cultural shift, where humanity collectively embodies principles of harmony and cooperation in the universe. Only with this mindset can we embark on our quest to achieve a Type 4 civilization, ensuring that our legacy is one of wisdom and collaboration rather than domination and neglect. As we probe deeper into the essence of a Type 4 civilization, it becomes vital to consider the role of governance in shaping our technological trajectory. A unified approach to AI development, characterized by transparent international treaties, will be crucial in ensuring that advancements benefit all of humanity rather than a select few. By working collaboratively, we can mitigate risks surrounding AI misalignment and promote equitable access to the resources necessary for progress. Furthermore, fostering a shared sense of purpose may empower us to tackle global challenges such as climate change, poverty, and societal inequalities, opening pathways to unprecedented cooperation. The interconnectedness of these issues highlights the necessity of an inclusive dialogue about the future we desire, paving the way for a transformative age driven by collective wisdom and mutual support. As we reflect on the immense challenges that lie ahead, it becomes increasingly apparent that our pursuit of a Type 4 civilization hinges not just on technological triumphs but on the cultivation of a shared ethical framework among all nations. The tasks ahead are daunting, yet they bear the promise of incredible advancements that could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. We must grasp this moment to foster collaboration that transcends borders and ideologies, united by the belief that our collective potential is greater than the sum of our individual aspirations. In doing so, we ensure that the journey towards an unparalleled future is marked by wisdom, compassion, and a genuine commitment to the betterment of life across the universe. Together, let us embrace this endeavor, crafting a tomorrow where humanity thrives as one in the ever-expanding cosmos. The path to a Type 4 civilization is not simply an ascent of technological prowess. It also beckons us to redefine our cultural and ethical foundations. Embracing a future filled with AI, energy innovations, and cosmic exploration challenges us to think critically about our collective identity and responsibility. We must prioritize dialogue that transcends borders, enabling collaboration on global scales, from environmental sustainability to space governance, ensuring that progress aligns with the values that uphold our dignity and planet. As we continue this monumental journey, let us harness our shared vision, aspiring not just to inhabit the stars but to illuminate them with wisdom and integrity, shaping a legacy that resonates through time. In our pursuit of this vision, we must recognize that the tools we create, particularly those in AI and energy, are not neutral. They reflect our values, intentions, and fears. As we embark on this grand journey toward a Type 4 civilization, every decision we make today, driven by compassion, curiosity, and collaboration, will echo throughout the cosmos, shaping a future where humanity not only survives but flourishes. Together, we will forge a legacy that speaks of unity, enlightenment, and the enduring spirit of exploration. Let us rise to the challenge and ensure our ascent into the stars is marked by ethical clarity and a commitment to nurturing the fabric of life itself. To achieve this monumental goal, our strategies must be as multifaceted as the challenges we face. We must intertwine technological progress with ethical considerations, addressing not just the how, but the why behind our advancements. As we pioneer toward a universe where humanity thrives, we can ensure that our journey is defined by enlightened stewardship and unwavering cooperation. Only through a unified approach can we navigate the complexities ahead and harness our potential to not only explore the stars but to connect more deeply with the essence of what it means to be human. Amidst the vast possibilities of a Type 4 civilization, we must remain vigilant stewards of our technology, ensuring it serves the greater good and our shared aspirations. The future will not merely be a reflection of our scientific achievements but a testament to our capacity for ethical foresight. With each decision, we are not only shaping technological landscapes but also redefining our very humanity as we navigate this extraordinary journey. By nurturing a commitment to collective welfare, fostering transparency in our systems, and celebrating the diverse perspectives that enrich our understanding, we lay the cornerstone for a legacy that will resonate across time and space. As we take steps toward becoming a Type 4 civilization, it becomes increasingly important to cultivate global consciousness that prioritizes collaboration over competition. International partnerships will not only allow us to pool resources and expertise, but they will also create a shared narrative of hope and responsibility for the future. The stakes are high, and the challenges we face, both technological and ethical, demand a unified response, ensuring that we work together towards a cosmos defined by peace, exploration, and mutual respect. Only then can we truly embody the aspirations of a civilization capable of harnessing the boundless energy of the universe, making our journey profoundly transformative for all of humanity. As we envision the scale of a Type 4 civilization, the importance of global cooperation in scientific and technological advancements cannot be overstated. Defining the parameters of our ethical obligations to one another and to potential extraterrestrial intelligences will require dialogue that crosses cultural and national boundaries. We must cultivate a shared vision that encourages collective problem-solving, fostering relationships that inspire innovation and mutual trust. Let's ensure that our journey into this cosmic future reflects our highest ideals, creating a legacy that champions not just technological achievement but also the profound interconnectedness of all sentient beings. As we look ahead, it's imperative to emphasize the need for a global commitment to ethical practices and governance in technology. Establishing robust frameworks to guide AI development and energy policies will empower us to build systems that prioritize humanity's welfare over narrow interests. Engaging diverse voices in these discussions ensures that every perspective is accounted for, fostering a sense of shared responsibility as we embark on this extraordinary journey toward a Type 4 civilization. Together, we can create a future that embodies our highest aspirations and collective wisdom. In conclusion, the pursuit of a Type 4 civilization represents not merely a technological ambition but a profound opportunity for humanity to unite under a shared vision. By harnessing AI responsibly, pursuing sustainable energy, and fostering a culture of collaboration and ethical consideration, we can transcend our limitations, crafting a future where we thrive among the stars as compassionate architects of our destiny.